Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to find and manage sound settings on Xreal Beam Pro. To manage sound settings, go to Settings app, then go to Sound and Vibration. And here are all of the sound settings which I'm gonna get you through. These first three are sliders that allow you to adjust media volume, notification volume, and alarm volume. You'll hear a preview of each one of them after adjusting them. Here is Do Not Disturb. If you turn it on, then it will disallow notifications. You can also choose who can interrupt, Do Not Disturb, and adjust other settings for it. Then here is live caption. You can enable it so it detects speech on your device and automatically generates captions. You can adjust media settings, vibration haptics. You can disable or enable vibration haptics. You can enable notification vibration, alarm vibration, touch feedback, and media vibration. And then you can go to default notification sound and you can choose a sound. The default alarm sound, and you can change it as well. You can enable or disable screen locking sound, enable or disable sound, charging sounds and vibration, enable or disable tap and click sounds, and you can also enable or disable showing icon when in vibrate mode. And that's all in sound and vibration in settings. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.